It's as Minister Saab has covered everything, the Honorable Minister Saab has covered everything. The only thing is it's more technical in details that the gentleman who's installed this would be able to provide. The idea was to give safe and drinking water, as Minister Saab said, rightly said, it's the elixir of life. And we thank Honorable Mr. Saab and the school for giving us this opportunity, for having this plant over here and serving the student population of Goa. Thank you. Thank you.
Joyful occasion for us at St. Andrew's High Secondary School with the inauguration of this RO plant. And at the outset, I would like to thank our Honorable Minister, Shri Navin Gudino, for his generous act of granting this plant to us. He is the MLA of this constituency where this institution is located, and I can say for sure his help, his support, his cooperation, his collaboration is always with us. So I would, on behalf of the management, staff and students of this institution, thank him for his generosity, thank him for being with us and for his support and collaboration to us. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the ITC officials and the entire company for this excellent initiative under corporate social responsibility. They have truly proved that they care for the society, and the best way to reach out to the society is to reach out to the students, to the young minds in the society. And that is exactly what they have done by installing this RO plant here in this institution. So our gratitude and appreciation also goes to the ITC. So, and I'm sure this facility will be used by the students, and as our Honorable Minister said, by the community also, because we are all part of a community and everything has to be done in collaboration. So I thank the Honorable Minister, and I also thank the ITC officials.
ITC does a lot of work under CSR. When Mr. Rao and Mr. Gupta along with other officials came to me as to where we can install this, my first thought went to St. Andrew's Institute, or St. Andrew's Higher Secondary, because from this area so many students come from all over, irrespective of from where they come here to pursue education, to pursue excellence. And as against that background, when they said we can give nice filtered water, and RO is the highest, I think, judgment one can make on pure water. Water is the elixir of life. If you have nice drinking water, and first of all there will be no disease going to water which normally happens. We will have pure drinking water, and that is what the students who are in such large numbers here will get to use this facility. And it is, I think, for common good of everyone, not only the students. Somebody else, I'm sure the college will not say no to them if they want to drink the water. So they have provided for the community. I congratulate them and request them to continue such good work, means much more than what they are doing. Also,